Hello to everyone. I just found something very nice during my last travel to Brazil. I found a web page, PDF.AI, based on a LLM, large language model of artificial intelligence, and it's so great. I can upload any PDF file and I can chat with my PDF file. I can make questions, I can summarize, and I can do this nearly in every language. So I tried some tests with PDF file I got in my computer. For example, I will show you now how I did it. I bought the American standard M55 and I had some very specific questions. Usually I go to the content or I go to the index and I will go through all this PDF file to find the solution. And now with this app, this web page, it was something unbelievable and very quick. So for all not very high educated engineers like myself, I can find technical solutions and answers in a very short time and with all needed references. So they can be proved by somebody else if needed. So I will show you now on a test mode how it works. And in a test mode I can only upload one file, but I have also the professional version because I bought it directly, and I have also one affiliated link in the notes because I really think it worth it. So I can do in the professional version, I can upload 10, 20, 30 files, and then I can say, find the answer to my question in all files. So it's really a database of knowledge in a super cool way, and I will try even to implement it on our homepage, or at least in our Krah community page, to share the information and to help our customers find solutions and answers without reading too many papers. So now I will start my computer in a test environment and I will upload one file, M55, and I try to chat with it in different languages. So here I am. I started the web page PDF.AI and I reached this web page. Now I go to get started and I logged in with my Google account, but this is the free version. So the free version, I can only upload one file. So I will upload now one file. I saved M55 calculation and click upload. So it needs some time. And now you can see already the new screen. On the left side, I have the PE pipe design and installation PDF M55, 191 pages with all the know-how of the M55, including the calculation, the tables, everything what is inside this M55. I had shortly a question from one of our community members. Is there a limit of installation depth according to this standard? So I just go on the right side, enter your question, and I say, is there a limit of installation depth? Now the answer is the limit for installation depth is the basic installation is 10 feet or less, as stated in the document. Depth beyond 10 feet would require an engineered installation. And I can see already here page 109 and page 66. So I can click on these references and it's already marked with yellow. Where is the reference in this document for the answer? This would be the page 109, or I can see the other reference. Depth is covered 10 feet or less. So for a quick installation with backed up references, the answer would be already more than perfect. Or I could say, what is the effect of the trench angle? Here I can see again that the trench angle plays a crucial role in ensuring proper construction, inspection, blah, 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 blah. And again, with the references, and basically this is exactly what I need. 3 different references where the trench angle is mentioned in the document. Now the cool thing is the document, the PDF, is in English because it's an American guideline. But for example, our friends in Latin America want to know something. For example, what kind of soil, what kind of soil can be considered? And now the funny part is, my question was in Spanish and I have directly the answer in Spanish. So it's translated. The reference is, of course, still in English. And now, because it's a large language model, I can continue chatting. So I don't need to make the question always new. I said in English again, what is Klasse 1? I think the question was in Spanish, and now we continue talking in Spanish. Yeah. Let me see if I can say in English, if I can get the answer in English. We go back to the first question. If I want to delete all the chat, I can go to this little symbol. I go to settings and I can delete chat history. Here I can also change my preferred response language. By standard, it's the same language than the main question. So I delete it. And now you can see the chat is empty again. Here you can do all kind of settings. And also you will have already some standard question, like give me a summary of this document. So basically now this large language model will read everything, and we are still in Spanish. Let me see if I can change it backwards. I go like... Yeah, good. So you can change now the questions here. What is the content of this document? Or what are the inspection criteria? And if you have the possibility to upload more than one file, for example, 5, 6 different standards, this chat possibility will read all and will summarize all. Or you can ask which is better for traffic load, or where is the difference between this and this standard, where are the limits in pipe diameter. If you get like the full version, you can have up to 20, 30 files. You can even make a link to your Google Drive or Dropbox cloud system, and the app will always consider all documents in this folder. And I hope it is useful, and if you like it, I will do something more like this in the near future. Or if you want that we should implement this possibility in our Krah community webpage, so we upload all the PDFs and you can search inside, just give me a comment and I will be very, very ready to help you. So I think you are impressed like I was impressed when I tried first time. It's really a cool tool for the salespeople, for the engineers, and basically for everyone who needs to read a lot of PDFs and papers. Even I try a little bit the other subject to upload the balance sheet and ask questions about the company, and even the results in balance sheets were great. But in this time, of course, we are a little bit more related to pipes and technical solutions. So try the version, it's free, but you can only upload one file, or buy the complete setup. And in case you want to buy, use the link I'm showing below. because I can make some money. Also, first time I tried to work with the affiliated link, and you will not lose anything by using this link. Bye for now.